Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the increment and decrement operator. Now this is one of the very important topic that you need to know because question comes based on this increment and decrement operator. Okay. Now increment and decrement operator means it is increment means plus plus. You can see the symbol that is given here, plus plus. Okay, and minus minus. One is called as increment. Decrement is plus plus. Decrement means minus minus. So you have got here two operator symbols that we use it here. Plus plus means it will increase by 1 and minus minus means the value will be decreased by 1. Now there are prefix and postfix. Pre means you can see the example that is given here. Pre means the two operators. You can see the plus plus operator is present before the operand. X becomes what? Operand here, and that's mean what happens to the value here. In prefix, what happens to the value? Now the value remains same in the prefix. Okay, now next is your postfix. The postfix x plus plus, that's mean x is a operand and plus plus is a operator, so that's mean the operator is present after the operand. So similarly we have it for decrement and prefix decrement and the postfix decrement. Okay, so this is about the increment and decrement operator. Now there are a number of examples that is given here. We'll just see. Now here suppose the x value is given here, x equals to 1, and the question is given here z equals to x plus plus. Now what will happen to the value? In this case what happened, the first time the value remains same. Okay, that's mean the x value will remain as 1. Second time when it goes for the iteration, it what happened to the value? It will increase by 1. Okay, if it is minus minus. In postfix, please remember the differences between prefix and postfix. In prefix the value remains same whether it is decrement or increment. Okay, and in the postfix the first time the value remains same and the second time the value will be increased. So we will see the example here. You can see one simple example that is given here. Z is equals to y plus plus. Now the initial value of y is what? 7. That's mean since it is a postfix the value remains what? 7. Okay, next time when it is going, then what happens to the value? It will become, now the final value it will become what? 8, because it will go on increasing. Okay, it will go on increasing. How does it increases? Now here suppose it is written x plus plus. Okay, that's mean the value remains same as 7. Now next time what happened to the value? X plus plus means x plus 1. That's mean what is the value of x? It is 7. So 7 plus 1, the value becomes what? 8. So this is how the calculations are done based on this prefix. Okay, now you can see there are so many examples here. You can see the example that is given here, that is the value is here, and you can see 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So what is the operator symbol given here? X plus 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 x. That's mean this x value here, the first time what is the value? It is the 1. Okay, since it is a postfix the value remains same. Second time what happened to the x value? It will be increased by 1, so that it will become what? 2. Then when it is calculating, it will give you 3. Okay, so like this, so many examples are here. You can see this example and try to practice number of questions that are there in your textbook. Their exercise questions are there. You can just try to practice them. Okay, and the next class we will see about what is a conditional operator is.